Hey there, today I am going to show you how to send video messages on WhatsApp, and here is how. First things first, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Next, open any conversation where you want to send a video message. It could be with a friend, family member, or anyone you chat with on WhatsApp. Now, take a look at the typing bar. On the right side, you will see a microphone icon. Tap on it. As soon as you tap the microphone icon, it magically transforms into a video camera button. Hold down this button to start recording your video message. To send a video message, tap and hold on the video camera button. You will see a countdown, and then it starts recording your video. You can record up to 60 seconds of video goodness. If you want to switch the camera, there is a handy flip button for that. When you have recorded your masterpiece, release your finger from the button. This will automatically send your video message to the recipient. So that is how you send video messages on WhatsApp.